Welcome to Pasifika Maths. In today's lesson, we are going to look at comparing integers using a number line. We can use a number line to compare integers. Now, just in case you've forgotten what integers are, they're positive or negative whole numbers. Now remember, positive integers lie on your right. They're any whole number to the right of 0, and it gets larger as you move to the right. That means negative integers are any whole numbers to the left of 0, and it gets smaller as you move to the left. Now, let's look at some examples. There are two signs we need to keep in mind: greater than and less than. So, -3 and -8. So -3 lies there on the number line, and -8 is there. Therefore, -3 is bigger than -8. Or, using these words, -3 is greater than -8. How about another one? Where does 3 lie on the number line? What about -1? Well, we can see that 3 is bigger than -1. Or 3 is greater than -1. What about -4 and -2? Well, -4 lies there on the number line, and -2, we can see that -4 is less than -2 on the number line. Let's try another one. What about -5 and -3? Where does -5 lie on the number line? There we go. And what about -3? Now we can see that -5 is less than -3. How about we try another one? Why don't you pause the video and give that a go? Now that is where 3 is on the number line, and that is where -3 is on the number line. And we can clearly see that 3 is greater than -3. And that is it. Now just to recap, we can use number lines to compare integers. Positive integers are any whole numbers to the right, and it gets larger as you move to the right. And negative integers are any whole numbers to the left of 0, and it gets smaller as you move to the left. Some of the signs to keep in mind when you're looking at comparing integers is greater than and the less than sign. Hope you've enjoyed the lesson today. We hope to see you in our next one.